Today we're unboxing a dumpling. We're unboxing a dumpling. I'm so excited. Of course, there's tape. Not even a...
Sabi ko, malapit tayo sa clock tower.
Wait guys. My dad is just opening. I'm super excited. Friends.
Day off kasi yun eh.
Tell me
Wala
what
pa.
it is. Oh my god! This is fake. This is fake.
Hindi yung malambot na parang nalatapon, yung parang basa.
Daddy, what is this? Chopstick? Is this real?
Paano yan? Ganyan pala yan.
Guys, I know this is fake. It's supposed to be giant, but I don't care.
May video na naman yan. Duwa yung tigil ng video na naman. Sino? Ayun, may video. Meron niyang page.
Is guys? Guys, please get me to a hot chopsticks. Ewan ko bakit.
Lagi nabablock siya. Bata pa eh.
What does this even work? Daddy, I don't need this. What is this for? I know it's a mystery.
Oo, napakayaman na nyo. Kaya nga, nagbigay ng cellphone.
What did I get for?
Oo, lalo 50 million naman.
I got the white one.
Totoo kaya yun. Totoo yun.
The things that I didn't get is actually
Yung mga mayayaman ng dino-comment din. Sabi mo, green. Sabi mo, green.
This is lovely. I love it.
Dami nag-comment pa rin.
Over here.
Dito. Si Derek naman.
Daddy, the
Nanonood
sound
ako
sometimes it makes sound.
ibang may fake news kasi. Yung fake news.
It's so funny.
Bakit ka ako napakarami nito? Ay, pinamimigay.
I know it's fake. But I still love it like 100%. Daddy, double squeeze. Do I love it? I want.
Dadalwa lang pala ang laman. Dadalwa pala ang laman eh.
Kano ko isa na?
Ano ba yung parang liquid na pero pag... Oo. Ano ba matapos dyan?
Last time I got. Ah!
Mauntog ka na sa'yo na. Baka ka mauntog. Ano ito, Ahmad?
So I got. Huh?
Ahmad?
Oh,
22.
of course, this is, Daddy, this is 100% fake. Why is this $22? Bye, guys.